Chopping boards. Chopping boards are an essential kitchen tools for any chef. Whether you are cooking at a restaurant kitchen or at your home, choosing the right chopping board is important. It's also important to have separate chopping board for different categories of food to maintain kitchen hygiene. It's also minimize the risk of cross-contamination. But how to manage separate chopping boards? Thankfully, colored chopping boards makes our work simple. Generally, we use 6 color-coded chopping boards: white, green, brown, red, yellow, and blue. White chopping boards. It is used for bakery and dairy products. Seems to be an obvious choice, white. You may also grate cheese and slice freshly cooked breads. Green chopping board. Green color draw our attention toward vegetables in kitchen, so it is used for chopping fruits and vegetables. So you may use it for preparing salad, dicing fruits, or slicing tomatoes. Brown chopping board. It is used for root vegetables such as turnips, potatoes, carrots, etc. You can remember it by root vegetable as Adi Foods matching to brown color. Red chopping board. Red is used for raw meat such as preparing beef, pork, or even deboning a chicken. Red color you can easily associate with red meat as majority of meat used is red. Yellow chopping board. Yellow is used for cooked meat. Most of the meat when cooked looks golden in color, hence yellow chopping board. One can do carving of Sunday roast joints or freshly cooked chicken. Blue chopping board. Blue is the color of sea, so take a guess. Yes, right. It is used for fish and seafood. As it is primarily used for fish, so also called a fish chopping board. These were the standard 6 color system for chopping board used by professional chefs. Some professionals prefer choosing 10 color chopping board over brown chopping board. Then the new color system for chopping board and its use is on your screen. I hope now you can easily identify the different type of chopping boards based on their colors. If still have some doubts, comment down below. Stay tuned on a Hospitality Broadcast.